In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to archive signed documents in DocuSign step by step. If you're managing multiple agreements and want to keep your completed documents organized without deleting them, archiving is the best way to keep your account clean and professional. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do this quickly and confidently. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Log into your account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your DocuSign dashboard, you'll land on the home screen where you can see your envelopes and agreements. From here, look toward the top navigation area and click on Agreements. This is where all of your documents are stored, including drafts, sent items, and completed envelopes. Clicking on Agreements will take you to a page that shows different categories of your documents. Next, you'll want to filter your view so you only see the documents that have already been signed. To do that, click on Completed. This section displays all agreements that have been fully signed and finalized. These are typically the documents you may want to archive once they're no longer actively needed, but still important to retain for record keeping. Now, browse through your list and find the signed document that you want to archive. When you locate the correct agreement, move your cursor to the right-hand side of that document row. You'll see 3 dots, which represent the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take for that specific document. From this list, click on Move. This option allows you to transfer the document from its current location into another folder, including your archive folder if you've set one up. After clicking Move, you'll be prompted to choose the destination folder. Select your archive folder. If you don't already have an archive folder created, you can create one beforehand inside your DocuSign folder section to keep things organized. Once you've selected the archive folder, confirm the move. That's it. Your signed document is now archived. It won't clutter your main completed list anymore, but it will still be safely stored and accessible whenever you need it. Archiving is especially useful if you handle a high volume of contracts and want to separate older agreements from recent ones. If you need to archive multiple documents, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just go to Completed, click the 3 dots next to the document, choose Move, and send it to your archive folder. Keeping your documents organized this way makes searching, reporting, and managing compliance much easier in the long run. And that's how you archive signed documents in DocuSign. Quick, simple, and very effective for staying organized. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more DocuSign tips, software walkthroughs, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.